Arctic landscapes are undergoing significant change. We are studying frozen soils in the Arctic. Students use drones to fly over the landscape, and school classes in Germany then evaluate the images. These young citizen scientists are an important part of the project and thus contribute to the research. In September 2022, we set out on a journey to Aklavik, a small community in the Mackenzie River Delta of Canada's Northwest Territories. After a 60-hour journey, our research team arrived. We finished a few last-minute preparations and then began our work. On site, we not only talked to the students about science and discussed the challenges of climate change, but also fought our way through the thicket of tundra. Over 3 days in the field, these 7th to 9th grade students assisted us in using drones to record the land surface of the tundra. When the underlying permafrost thaws, the ground at that location sinks. This causes characteristic structures to form on the surface, which we can observe in the drone images. From the drone footage, we can create 3D models. And also aerial images of the tundra to include in our mapping application. Based on this, students can then map the thawing of the permafrost. But what happens when these soils continue to thaw due to global warming? The Arctic is warming rapidly. The results of our project support research into climate impacts. They allow us to better estimate the future developments of permafrost landscapes. Data will also help locals to better assess environmental risks.
Danke an alle, die auf unserer bisherigen Reise mit dabei waren. Wir brauchen auch deine Unterstützung. Komm mit uns auf Spurensuche und werde Teil des UndercoverEisAgenten-Projekts.